Does your dog get jealous like this one? This dog rushed over to his owner because he knew the owner was hanging out with another dog. He tried to squeeze in between them, but the owner was still focused on the other dog. You could really see he was super jealous, doing his best to grab the owner's attention. Whenever he got a chance, he'd scoot closer and beg for some petting, but the owner just ignored him. Even though he was ignored, he didn't give up and kept trying. I hope that his owner gives all this dog the attention he wants. Subscribe, like, and comment your reaction to this video for a chance to win cool prizes when we reach 1,000 subscribers.